Hey Shiba Inu holder, the massive change is coming soon, and this time you can see here, especially from last 24 hours, Shibano will change the crypto market. So therefore I am so happy because I am also holder of Shiba Inu, my brother coin. So this time you can see from last 24 hours, what a brilliant jump now. It's a wake up after a long time. It's a grand news. What's the price prediction? What's the technical analysis? And what's my opinion to sell hold? If this coin is good in the June, my friends, for investment or not, my brother, absolutely I will tell you. But my friends, from last 24 hours, when I see this great jump, my friend, I cannot stop, my friends, my happiness. I'm so happy. I cannot stop my smile, because when I see this, exactly I'm so happy. You know what's the main reasons today will wake up after a long time? The main reason is that to after affairs, every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump now. So alright, if we check out this time, you can see in the last 24 hours, 9.09% the price is increased now. But in last 3 days, as you can see, my friend, this coin is very badly falls down. You can see here, this is last 3 days chart is on the screen, and this time you can see here, they very badly falls down. But you can see here, again they're starting moving upward now. They will wake up and they will change. Occur will be positive now, my brother. It's a great news for all of you. What's the price prediction? My prediction, absolutely after a fails they take a jump. So my prediction is right, my brother. To after this fails, they also take a very huge jump now, and they will completely go in the moon now. So this is my prediction. To the future will be bright now. In upcoming times, so Shiba Inu is going in the moon now. And what's my opinion? My opinion is that this is very good time, my friends, for investment. If you want to invest in June, exactly, my friend, this time the Shiba Inu is one of the trending coin in the crypto market. So go now, invest now, and hold it and wait for the end of this month. They will give you very good profit now. Please remember, holder of Shiba Inu coin, to please Shiba Inu is very good coin for a short time investor, not for a long time investor. So therefore I will recommend you to invest for a short time and don't invest for a long time. Hope you understand. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type and update videos.